Good morning, friends. This is a good look. I've had a lot of people ask me what I put in my morning protein shake, as if I'm any sort of expert on anything. Spoiler alert, I'm not. But I'll show you. It's not that exciting, and it's actually just a bunch of random stuff. It's not random. I did do research, but I am no expert, so please don't take this like I know what I'm talking about, because I don't. So I just lifted and this is how much water I have left. So I'm just gonna use it. I'm gonna put my wire mixing thing in here. And then the first thing I use is this creatine monohydrate. Apparently this is good for muscle stuff. So this is 5 milligrams. Boop. And then I have this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides Advanced. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is great for skin moisturization and plumpness, and then collagen for, joints and skin and all that good stuff that when you're in your 40s, you really got to think about. This didn't come with a scoop because we are being environmentally friendly, and it's a cardboard container, I guess. So I want to make sure I'm getting the exact serving. So I put my cup on a food scale, zero it out, and then I just use the spoon. And the serving is 27 grams, I believe. 27 grams. So I'm going to add that in. Okay. And then the last thing I do is, just kidding, it's not the last thing. I add this Dymatize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein whey isolate. It's whey isolate. And Matt did research, and apparently this is the cleanest one he could find. So we do half of a scoop. Since I already did the collagen protein, it just doesn't have as much protein as I want. So I also do a half a scoop of this, which is about, 16 grams. So 0. I'm gonna add 16 grams of this stuff. Done. And then because I get leg cramps constantly, ever since I had Desmond, and he will be 11 next month, I have had Charlie horses in both of my legs constantly. Like whenever I try to do yoga or stretch, it's like, forget about it, cramps. If I'm getting my hair washed at the hair salon and my legs are in that straight leg position in front of me, it will start cramping up, and I'm like, ah. So anyway, I use this Concentrace Trace Mineral Drops. Does it help? I have no idea, but we'll do like 20 drops. Boop. Last but not least, I didn't finish my coffee from this morning, so we're just gonna pour that bad boy in, because we don't waste coffee, no sir. To add some more water. Shake. And we're good to go.